Two friends, same paycheck. One ends up with more money by doing less. How? The answer is the most powerful force in finance. Meet Anna and Ben, both 25, both earning the exact same salary. They make one small decision differently. It will change everything. Anna decides to invest $200 a month starting now at 25. It's not much, she barely notices it leaving her account. She opens a simple index fund and sets it to invest automatically. Then she forgets about it and goes on with her life. For 10 years, that $200 goes in every single month. By 35, Anna has put in $24,000 of her own money. Then Anna stops. She never adds another dollar again. She just leaves the money alone and lets it sit. Ben, meanwhile, spends his 20s enjoying every paycheck. Investing can wait, he thinks. He has plenty of time. New gadgets, trips, dinners out. Ben lives well and saves nothing. Years pass. The investing always starts next year. At 35, Ben looks up and realizes a decade is gone. He finally decides to get serious about his money. Ben invests the same $200 a month that Anna did, but he's starting 10 years later than she did. And Ben doesn't stop. He invests every month for the next 30 years. By 65, Ben has put in $72,000, 3 times Anna's. Decades later, both friends are 65 and ready to retire. So who ended up with more? Most people guess Ben. Here's the twist. Anna invested $24,000. Ben invested $72,000, but Anna's account is worth more, a lot more. Anna has around $280,000. Ben has around $245,000, even though he invested triple. The reason is compounding. Your money earns money, and that money earns more. Like a snowball rolling downhill, it grows faster the longer it rolls. Anna's 10-year head start gave her money decades of extra rolling time. Time in the market beat the amount Ben put in. Of Anna's $280,000, only $24,000 was her own cash. The rest, over $250,000, was pure growth. This is why the most valuable asset you have isn't money, it's time. And time is the one thing you can never buy back. Every year you wait to start has a hidden cost. Waiting just 1 decade nearly cut Ben's final result, despite investing more. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. Even small automatic amounts work because the engine is time, not size. Open a low-cost broad index fund and set automatic monthly investing. Then do the hardest part. Leave it alone and let it grow. Markets will rise and fall. Anna ignored every crash along the way. Staying invested mattered more than timing it perfectly. The difference between Anna and Ben wasn't income or luck. It was a single decision made 10 years apart. If you're young, your biggest advantage isn't money. It's the years ahead of you. If you're older, the lesson is the same. The best day to start is today. So remember 3 things. 1. Start as early as you possibly can. 2. Invest consistently. 3. Then let time and compounding do the work. Ben did fine. Investing late beats never investing at all. But Anna proved that starting early is a quiet superpower. These numbers are an example, assuming a steady long-term average return. Real returns vary, and this isn't financial advice. It's the principle that matters. One small decision, repeated and left alone, can outgrow a far bigger effort started too late. That's the real power of compound interest. If this made compounding click for you, subscribe. We keep money simple. Start today. Your future self is counting on it.